If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
These are not Queen of Lace. These are carrot seeds. Carrots take 2 years to reach a mature seed production state. Now, in a stressed situation, they will produce seeds the first year, as we'll show in a moment. But this bed had carrots planted 18 months ago, went through the cycle again this past growing season, and they are ready to be harvested. The way you can tell is if they are dry, in this instance, and they are hard or firm in touching them or trying to squeeze them. Now, carrot seeds are very tiny to begin with. There is some fluffy extra material in there around the seeds in order to protect them. But you can save them. Just keep in mind that based on the conditions in which they were formed, they may be better than what you would buy from a seed store, or they may be a little not as good. Don't know. If the seeds have been really stressed, could be an issue, but in most instances, the plant will focus all of its energy on the seed production to carry on the best traits it can for the following year. So I'm just putting them in this tub here, kind of sorting them out, letting some of the chaff float away. And these are 2 years old seeds. So we're going to go back to a different bed where we planted seeds this past or 8 months ago and show what they look like compared to these. Those have been more hydrated, but they've also been more stressed. So this is another carrot that has gone to seed and it was stressed. This is an orange variety, which it doesn't matter to us. We grow a multitude of different rainbow colored carrots, but you can see that it has been stressed, so it's gone to seed. Same procedure as what we're going to do with the other ones that were 2 years old. You just go ahead and pluck them off into the container, and then we will distribute them onto a plate inside out of direct sunlight to make sure that they're fully dry before we bag them up and label them. Now, some of these will have fallen on the ground and will seed themselves for next spring, which is fine, but this is a way in which you can save your own carrot seeds. If you want to wait 2 years, typically is how long they take, but if for some reason like us you had 1 or 2 that stressed out, the seeds should be just as good as the other ones.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.